Hello, this is Mr. TikTok. There is a rumor going around that Walmart is making a tablet. Yes, you heard right. Walmart is making a tablet, supposedly. It would be Android, it would be cheap, it would be designed to withstand kids, and it will come from a Chinese supplier. It will be sold under Walmart's ONN Store brand, which focuses on cheaper electronics. Bloomberg said that a Walmart spokesperson confirmed the tablet is coming, but didn't specify any details. Earlier this month, Michelle Rahman, the XDA developer's editor, tweeted some leaked specs, noting it be the first Android Pie tablet not made by Huawei or Samsung. She also wrote that it will have a MediaTek MT8163, 2 GB of RAM, only 16 to storage, extendable micro USB, 3500 mAh, 8-inch screen, 800 by 1280. That's a very odd resolution. And that's about all the information that he leaked. It's going to be a very cheap tablet from the specs given. If it's more than $100, I don't think it will sell much. It sounds that it's only good for web browsing. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time.